Okay, today we're going to be working on my first website, part two. It's pretty easy. It's mostly just typing. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to open up my first website, part one. Okay, so it's really easy. Come down here, do your search, look for your files. Okay, then in here you're going to type index.html. All right, now there it is. It came up. The thing is, if I open that, it's going to open as a web page. I can't edit it. So I want to choose which program I'm going to open it with. So I have to use a two-finger click on my Chromebook here, and then I have open with, and then I can choose open with Carrot. Okay, and then we see something like this, hopefully. All right. So all I'm doing is I'm adding to this. Okay, so down at the bottom, you'll see at line 21, notice the difference between sentences. Okay, then 22 is blank, 23, and then 24 and 25 are the closing tags for the web page. So what you're going to do is in this area here, 22, this is where you're going to add the new information. Okay, now notice if I just hit enter a few times, those other tags just move down, which is fine. So if I go to look at the directions here, okay, you'll see on 22. Now, I know it's a little hard to see on this screencast. Part two of this assignment starts here, and that's what is on 22. Now, you could leave, you don't really have to type that. That's just a comment. It won't show up on the web page. But if we look at 23, we have a BR tag. All right, so I'm going to come here, and there's my BR, my BR tag. Look at that, did a closing tag for me. Isn't that nice? Okay. And you just keep going through. So this is going to teach you how to do hyperlinks. Now the thing is, when I created this, I was not able to put it all in one screenshot. So you'll see there's two screenshots here. Okay, right here is where the second one starts. Watch the numbers. Okay, so this one gets to about 44. So you want to skip all the way down here and find 45. All right, which is right about there. All right, and then you continue on and notice at the very bottom, you have the /body in HTML. Okay, so that you already have. You don't have to type that probably, right? Because you have that there. All right, one other thing on this assignment, you're going to have to download this picture. Okay, two-finger click again, save image as. All right, make sure you save it in the same spot as your HTML file. Okay, so find that folder. Now the default name is George_Washington -1. You got to get rid of that -1 and then save it there. Okay, I already have it downloaded, but so that's how we're going to do this. Okay, now when you're finished here, you can always go to save file. You don't have to do save file as because you already gave it a name. You can also Control S as you're typing. So you make sure you want to save. It doesn't hurt to save often so you don't lose anything. All right, that's that. When you're finished, you're going to hand it in on Canvas. Okay.